Hi, today I'm show you one most popular new React video. Thank you, please see it.
This is a Truth or Stare extra video on how to get popular on YouTube. There are two ways to get popular on YouTube. Well, there are many ways, but the two main ways are to get somebody to help you out, or the other way, you can just get really good ideas and work really hard at it until people love you and then they follow you and everything. So, I was 8 and I was obsessed with loopsies. I would watch YouTube and I would watch a lot of loopsy videos and I'd be like, I wish I could make those one day. So a couple months later, my dad actually got an iPad for his birthday. And so he got an iPad and I asked, can I please use it sometimes? He said, sure. And one day it automatically downloaded iMovie, so I was like, I'm going to figure this out. And I did, and I made a little loopsy movie. And I asked my dad if I could post it on YouTube, and he said, sure. And I actually kept on making videos, but before any of the videos got uploaded, I had to show it to my dad first. My first video I watched in Taitel was I'm never going to the park again, and that's actually, I think that's her most famous video. December in 2013, it was soon going to be Annie's birthday, and they said you could send in a little clip of, here's a Dusty. He said to send in a little clip of you saying happy birthday to Annie. So I did the video and I sent it to them, and they actually used it in the video of happy birthday Annie. In January, I got an email from Taitel, the official Taitel, saying, this is my phone number, call me, and said, would your daughter like to be a part of a new channel we're creating called Truth or Stare? So Truth or Stare was created by Taitel, and it was really popular from that, and also because Caleb was on it at the time. Maybe about after 2 months after being on Truth or Stare, I think it was 3 or 4 actually, I decided, Dad, can you call Billy and ask if I can do a gift swap with Annie? And a gift swap is when you each get each other gifts and you have a price limit of what to buy, of how much you can buy. So she gave me a real horse, and then after, stupidly, I should have read the note first, but after I read the note, and it said, thanks for doing gift swap with me, and guess who's coming to my house in August, and it said you, and I like screamed, and I almost felt like crying, but I didn't. When I was at their house, since I was in their videos, that's what got me a lot more subscribers. Like, when I was there, I got about 8,000 subscribers out of, and at the time they had about 200,000, 300,000. So we've also put in a really hard work for making videos, editing them, and spending a lot of time on videos because we do 2 a week. And it might seem like, oh, that's nothing, but it's actually really hard because we have to find the time to film between school, bowling, gym. Well, gymnastics, gym just sounds awkward. It's like, ah! So between all that stuff, we have to find time to film the videos and make them good, not make them rushed. So the other way to get popular on YouTube is to work your butt off, as my dad just said to me. So you gotta work really, really hard, make your videos amazing. You have to have really good ideas, but it will take a little bit longer to get subscribers than what I had. About the time that I got to join Truth or Stare was I had about, actually I was really close to 100 subscribers at that time. So it took me about a year to get there. So some good examples of that type of getting popular is 101 Dark Monkey. They did it all by themselves, not their parents' help, and their skits are awesome. I love those. Not them. That'd be awkward. That'd be like girl kiss boy. No, 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 no. Not that type of love. I like their channel. There are a few other ways to get popular on YouTube, like quality editing, collab videos, good lighting and sound, and you want to post on a consistent day, and just don't forget to have fun. So there's something I want you to do. Go to your favorite channel and comment Bethany G sent you and say something nice about their channel, and then come back to my channel, comment what your favorite channel is and what you told them. and I'll give a big shout out to a random person who does that. So that was my video. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, Bethany G. And on the count of 3, I'll say bye. Ready? 1, 2,